Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making ginger chinchin. Stay tuned while we do this together. We'll be peeling the back of the ginger. You can also use ginger powder for this chinchin. You're expected to wash and grate the ginger. We'll be adding water to this ginger because we are going to be making use of the water that is brought out of it. You remember we are making use of 1 cup like this, so we are going to be adding the water here in order to extract the ginger. The water is about 250 grams. Water we are going to be making use of for this chinchin. It's exactly 1 cup, there is no difference. So we'll be keeping it aside to continue with the flour. We're going to be sifting all the dry ingredients to break up any lumps. Here is the sugar. We are also going to be adding it to the flour. Cinnamon is also going to be added at this stage, and at the same time we are also going to be sifting the nutmeg. Since we are also making use of ginger powder, I am also going to add it at this stage. We have gotten all the ingredients, all the dry ingredients in here, so I'm going to be adding salt also. We are going to be transferring the dry ingredients into a big bowl. Therefore, we are also going to sieve it. These are already sieved flour. The ingredients here are sugar, salt, nutmeg, ginger powder, and cinnamon. Those are the ingredients here. The dry ingredients are being mixed together. We'll be getting the other ingredients ready. We'll be opening the center of this flour in order to put butter. Yes, the butter is thoroughly mixed with the flour. So we'll be adding egg at this moment. We are making use of 4 eggs. Open the center of the flour and add the eggs. I may not really want to use my hand to mix these eggs. Therefore, I'll be using this to mix it first before putting my hand. Yes, I'll be adding my hand at this moment. Open the center of the flour and add the milk. I'm making use of condensed milk here. This is about 2 cups. Because I will be using this condensed milk, that is why I did not use a lot of sugar. I'll be making use of the water, the ginger water now, in order to complete the process. This is the ginger water. Kindly add water bit by bit. The water is to be added bit by bit. The essence of adding water to this is to make the chinchin crispy. At the same time, I have ginger water, so I want the ginger taste to come out of this chinchin. The remaining water will also be added. This is the final result. We'll be rolling it a little bit. Not so much. This is just okay because we're going to be leaving it in the fridge for 15 minutes before frying it. We are going to be leaving it in the fridge for 15 minutes. I'll be making use of foil. It's just to cover it and leave it in the fridge for 15 minutes before frying it. This purpose is in order to allow the ingredients that is mixed with the flour to concentrate. It is exactly 15 minutes that we left it in the fridge. You can actually leave it in the freezer if you are in a haste to fry the chinchin so that it will be fast. Chinchin does not really need a lot of time kneading it in order for you to get the crispy that you have always wanted. We are going to be making use of pizza cutter in order to be fast. At this stage, you are expected to cut into your desired shapes and sizes. For the frying of this chinchin, we are going to be making use of two methods. The first method is we are going to be frying it with a deep fryer, and the second method is that we are going to be frying it with a frying pan. So I'm going to be adding oil to the deep fryer. You must not use this fryer to fry this chinchin. You can actually use normal frying pan fryer. So a lot depends on what is available for you or what you want. This deep fryer usually have a limit of the oil you can put in it. So it's going to be taking, the limit is down here, which is just 2 of this. So we are going to be stopping on 2 and then start frying. Allow the oil to heat up a little bit before you start your frying. The oil has heated up, so we are going to be adding the chinchin. With the deep fryer, you can actually fry the chinchin in large quantity, and this deep fryer also helps the chinchin not to take a lot of oil. I still need it to be a little bit brown, so I'll be leaving it for a little time to get more brown. Yeah, this is the color we are waiting for. This shows that the chinchin is done and properly fried. This chinchin will get more brown once it is cold. Once it gets cold, it will get browner than this. Here is the second method, of which we are going to be using frying pan. Also put oil in the frying pan and allow it to be hot before adding the chinchin. You have to consistently turn it so that it will fry well. As you can see, it is now brown and the chinchin is done and ready. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.